I'm making here is sunflower slaw. You know how you go to those catfish restaurants and a lot of southern restaurants that have like a sweet coleslaw? Well, I absolutely love that, and it came to my mind that why not substitute sunflowers in place of cabbage? So that's what I did. I found a recipe. I'm going to show you that recipe, and at the end of this video, it's just basically a few ingredients. You mix it together, and then you blend the slaw, in this case sunflower slaw, and then you mix it in a bowl. Let me show you. I'm not great in the kitchen. I don't even know what this thing is called. It's not a blender, but it's something else. Wasn't going to show this recipe at all, but it just tastes so good. I've mixed some, and what I'm doing now is adding more of the greens. It actually end up being the rest of the 1020 flat to make it the right consistency. But I've tasted it and it's phenomenal. Just pulp the greens down. Like that. There we got one extra little piece here. I'll just eat that. And I'll just take the center piece out, which is the blending part or the chopping part. Put it over there and take it off, dump it in with the rest. I just got a butter knife over there that I use to scrape out the rest. And then just mix it up. This should be about the right consistency. I mean, if you like cabbage slaw, sweet cabbage slaw, you're gonna love this. It's Brent. Here comes the recipe. I am not joking. This is so good. I bet it'd be even better with some bacon crumbles in it. Anyway, if you have a mind, give it a go.